Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to another episode of Andy Blarg. Today I have a special treat for you guys. I'm going to show you how to shave your facial hair using this Remington electric razor, a razor I've been using for a long time. And before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more uploads. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. If I reach 100 likes on this video, I will take the wackiest and top voted idea from the comments and I will make a video on it. Now make sure you comment what you want that idea to be and make sure you get your vote in. Anyways, let's get to the video. Alright, let's get started. So we have our electric razor and we're ready to go. But I don't think I want to get rid of all of my hair. I want to keep a little bit and I'm going to try and keep it as a goatee, just right around here. This is the hair that we'll keep and everything else has got to go. But if you look closely, my hair is a little longer than a normal foil head razor like this can handle. If you try to use this straight on the beard, it will get caught, it'll get tangled, it's annoying, it's painful, and it's just not a fun time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually flip up the back part here and use the trimmers to shorten the hair so that's just a little fuzz, and then it's much easier to use the foil. Now here we go. As you can see, these clippers do an excellent job of shaving longer hairs. Just look how perfectly it removes those neck hairs. However, you can see they aren't good for getting a close shave since there is still hair where I've already been. I like to make my goatee rounded at the bottom, and look, we're already so much better looking, but we're not quite there yet. We got to make sure we get all the extra fuzz off of here, because if you use your hand, you can definitely feel that there's still hair. So you got to get back in there and you got to make sure it all goes away. You want your skin to be smooth. Never forget to shave the cheek. Sometimes I forget to and I end up regretting it later. Alright, we're looking a lot better already, and now I'm going to try and make this a little closer to my chin. I'm kind of conscientious about this bald spot, so we're going to try and get rid of that. To be perfectly honest, I don't know how I got that bald spot on my chin, but no matter how long I grow my beard, it never goes away. It's really annoying. Now, we use the regular foil head because the hair is low enough that it can cut easily. Now some of you may be wondering, Andy, why use an electric razor and not a straight razor blade? Well, to be honest, I never really learned how to use a straight razor blade growing up. They also usually require shaving cream and are more often going to cut your skin than electric razors do, so I don't feel very comfortable using one. However, straight razors do a much better job of giving you a close shave, so I recommend using them if you can. And there we go! Now it's a nice, beautiful goatee I have going here. I have a nice smooth skin down at the bottom, but sometimes you might still get a few stragglers here or there. A little bit of fuzz that you really don't want there. And honestly, there's not a whole lot you can do other than just keep on shaving with this. But what I like to do, and I don't recommend this because it's more pricey, I get a second razor. This razor is much better at getting a really close shave, so this is what I use to clean up after I've done most of the dirty work. Unlike the Remington foil razor, these rotary razors are much better at getting a close shave, at least in my experience. However, they are much more likely to get tangled by long hair, so you definitely need to wait until the very end to use it. And we are done! I now have silky smooth skin, I have a nice looking beard so I still look mature and I don't look like a baby face, and that's basically it. Now you know how to shave your face using an electric razor. Thank you, Remington, for not sponsoring this video. I mean, it's not like they're gonna sponsor some random guy on the internet. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you get 100 likes on this video, I will do whatever the top ranked crazy comment says I should. Thanks again, thanks you for tuning in, I love you, and stay beautiful, fam.